Handwork too good oh. This time na £100 for here for England. I want to show you how to achieve it.
Dead baby. What's up?
Focus your eye on my hand and you will learn how to do it. Handwork is too good, my people. For here for England, this time what I want show now so now £100 will take the time for anybody wey dey do celebration, birthday celebration, marriage or anyone. Lowest price na £100. Just imagine you can't get this type of handwork, and this type of handwork e no be wetin dey fade. And if you be boy, you be girl, you think say maybe na girls dey do am. Sorry, if you be boy for there, I wan tell una say na boys na dey teach me how to tie gele. Many class wey I don go online o, na boys. All this T-boy gele, all this EO gele, all this gele, all of them are boys. Now they teach us how to tie gele. If you did there, you no get handwork, you no get wetin dey give you income, you be boy. You know say some women don't decide say they will be forever lazy housewife when they bring income come house. So in case you did that category, you be boy, you not get anything where they give you income. Nothing can say now women that they run this thing. Now lie oh. If you go Nigeria for some place, not be even some place, the women with the tie gele, don't even they carry them. Now the boys that they book. So learn now. See, and this material now what they call ashoke, now gele. You understand? So the length, you see the way I take do one. Apart from this video, don't too much explanation not there. But if you focus your eye, you will get out at it doing. But for you to know more explanation of how I teach people gele with chronic explanation, come to my live stream. If I did live on YouTube or I did live on Facebook, depend maybe for the watch me. If you dey watch me for YouTube, I know they do live stream for this particular place. I have another YouTube that is called Deg Beauty Life, because now only live stream I dey do there with chronic explanation. Okay, my people, if you be man, you be boy, you be girl, you want use this thing to the shop money, because anything gele, anything beauty, now every day they accelerate, not be watching they fade. Every day now the thing till they climb. You understand? So just take can serious. Being, I'll see some women, I'll see some men, I'll see some boys, I'll see some girls. They'll see they don't have anything income. And because they don't get documents, and because they did this country, and because they did that country, full of excuse. Oh my God, you dey waste your time, sister, brother. Learn something. If you get handwork, now only my hand I dey carry the waka. Yeah, now if I just carry my hand, sorry, and I carry my pin, joiner. This thing what you see, so if the bride want change, reach like 2 times. Lowest price is 2 to 3 times. You know, so if you want come wait, make the change. Lowest is £250 just to tie gele. You understand? You feel use and take make money for the city where you did, for the country where you did. Did they say they want me everybody make money? We will not just rely on our government, saying that government go to help you all the days of our life. Yes, it's good we have good government, but you still invest in yourself. If you not feel go school, I come to England, I come see and say, I not feel go school. No say, if you not feel go university, you not go school, you not be graduate, still invest in yourself, learn many skills. At least you go see they give you money. Not be every time you go just rely on somebody where you go they ask money. Wherever you they watch me from, you they watch me from any location. Never you be liability to anybody. We if now your husband do not be liability to him. If now your family not be liability to your family, your people they abroad not be liability to them. Learn something. Learn something. Learn something. If you don't like this girl, you don't like all this makeup something, but just look for something where they go to give you income. You know, say even though na 10 20 euro that be your income for the whole month. Let me just say for to the whole month. When I know say that 20 euro, it go reach you to buy bag of rice. It go reach you to buy bag of pounded yam. You understand? It's better than nothing. So because this life we take, so I can't say some people they complain too much. The people they complain too much, say yeah, no easy, there, no easy. Now make they come out for social media. I want me everybody to make money. I want me be your boss on your own. I want me be your madam on your own. At least learn work. Learn what they give you income. I even tell they say if you don't see they learn all this kind of work, if you know say you dey used to social media something, you dey go dey watch people every day, it's time for people to start watching you. People go come still dey watch your video, you take until they get money. Like now, this is my YouTube. If you dey watch me for YouTube every month, this YouTube they pay me. If you dey watch me for Facebook every month, Facebook they pay me. See, some people go say, you know, wait till I don't know. Now gradually you just start small. Why I start this thing the time of COVID, small. Many people pack their love, they give up because they know they get view. Me, I was there. I keep doing what I was doing. That be life. You continue to the upgrade, continue to the learn. Me, even though I not get view, at least I must upload video for my Facebook and my YouTube. At the end of the month, they will calculate the money where I say work they will give me. It's better than you did there. You know, say you not get anything where they give you income. You just they complain every month, nothing. January to December, you say you not get document. You say where you did. You say work not dey. Create work for yourself, brother, sister. Mona beg, Mona help the situation we will get for grant. Everybody they say Peter Obi go win, Peter Obi go win. Even though Peter Obi win, I felt talk last time say even though Peter Obi win, for those people be Nigeria, you know, could still solve all your problem. You need to still wake up from your slumber, your sleep. You today no excuse too much for your maths, for brother, sister. Inside your bedroom, for that bed where you like me wait till they sleep. They make video, carry camera, face yourself, do video, upload. You go use the video till they get your money. Since you say you don't want to still learn work, so people go say, who want teaching? Go to YouTube. All this video, in case, go YouTube, go learn many style. I get 600 video for YouTube. Facebook, many video there. If you no want watch my own, other people video there. Like this Santina, she come here, she can't do photo shoot. This one was her third outfit. You know how much she pay me that day? Me, I not be photographer before. I come England, I come see and say, I must learn many things. I can't learn photographer. I did take picture. I did do makeup. I get studio where for they do photo shoot. If you go to my Instagram, now my number be that. Mona call me. Go and see all my photo shoot. Mona book me for an event too. The video once so finish. If you can't do your photo shoot, I'll still do video. You will dance around. You go rock yourself. Short video along with the pictures. So I'll still take you. Go to my Instagram. Please don't forget to book me. We are all in one beauty. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeup, Gele, and a lot more. Just call on deck